Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is related to the upgrade of Ubuntu 20.04 to 22.04. So I'm gonna perform all the steps one by one. It's very easy and straightforward steps. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm gonna open my Ubuntu machine, which is on VM. So we have to verify the existing version of Ubuntu. Open the terminal. Here you can type the command lsp_release-a and enter. So you can see that the version of Ubuntu is 20.04. Let's start the video and upgrade the version. So this is the first command which you have to run. Right, sudo apt-mark and show hold. Right, with the password. So there is no any package which we have to install, so we can go ahead and do the next step. Next command which we have to run is sudo apt-update. Right, it will check the versions, and the second command which you have to run is upgrade. Okay, so you can see the warning message. Do you want to continue? I have to click yes, and make sure your partition space should be more than 40 GB when you are going to upgrade the version. So it will take some time to download the firmware, and once this step will be completed, we have to reboot the system. It's gonna take some time, so I'm just pausing this video and we'll come back. Okay, so setup is going to complete now. So once this will be completed, we have to run the restart command. Right, so this is completed now. Let's reboot the computer. So command will be sudo reboot. So once the reboot process will be completed, I'll come back. You can see that the system is rebooted. Let's put the password. So next command which we have to run is sudo to release upgrade -d. This will check the new version and will fetch the details. It's gonna take some time. So here I have to click enter. You will see this pop up as Firefox Snap is available in 22.04. So we have to save everything if open in the Firefox, because it will upgrade to Snap package. So I'll click on OK. Right, so just for information, the entire process when we have started, it took almost 25 minutes, but still it's going on and it pop up this Firefox message. So let's wait for another moment. So let's wait for some time, and so let's wait for the completion of upgrade process. Right now my computer has been restarted, so upgrade is completed. It will take some time for the initialization now. Okay, so computer has been restarted successfully. We have to put the password now. I believe this has been completed. To verify it, I can see the display and other stuff, which is the upgraded one, but still we can verify the version. So let's open the terminal. Okay, let's verify the version now. So you can see that the Linux 5.15 kernel is there. Okay, and so here you go. The version is upgraded now, which is 22.04. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any concern or query, please drop your message in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel.